Namaskar. I'm Acharya Dr. Manish, Director Ark Ayurveda Private Limited. I'm a medical astrologer, health vastu consultant, and also a certified aromatherapist. My dream has always been to contribute something very concrete and fruitful to the health sector to give a long lasting or permanent cure to common diseases. Are you all not looking for remedies which are economical, quick, effective, and without any side effects? I'm sure you all are. My persistent and rigorous research on aromatic oils has brought forth remedies to common problems like flu, to the most deadly problems like cancer. You all are aware of the fact that our body is divided into seven different chakras or kundalini. Here I am talking about the astral body, या हिंदी में बोले तो सूक्ष्म शरीर. उसके अंदर 7 कुंडलियां होती हैं. These 7 chakras or kundalinis are as follows: root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and on the top, crown chakra. It is very important to keep these chakras in perfect balance because any disturbance in any of these chakras can lead to a serious disease. I can provide you with a very effective aromatic oil based remedies to maintain the balance in all these 7 chakras so that they can neither overactive nor underactive. There are 7 different aromatic oils, one for the each chakra. These 7 chakra oils will help you in general well-being to boost your overall energy level and keep you away from various health issues. Anyone can use these 7 chakra oils. Anyone. Why? Because prevention is always better than cure, isn't it? So let me demonstrate with these 7 different chakra oils. The first one is for Mooladhara chakra. The position of Mooladhara chakra is your tailbone. Means जहाँ पे आपकी spinal cord finish होती है, that is the tailbone area. Just apply this oil on your navel button. Then apply it on your tailbone or just below navel, नाभि से ठीक नीचे. And smell for 2 minutes. गहरी और धीमी सांस के साथ. Then next one is sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra or navel chakra. Again apply it on your navel button, then apply it around navel, नाभि के चारों ओर, and then smell for 2 minutes. After that, third one is solar plexus chakra or Manipur chakra. Apply it on your navel button, apply it below your rib cage. जहाँ पर आपकी पसलियाँ खत्म होती हैं वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा गड्ढा होता है. So just apply it on that area and then smell for 2 minutes. Fourth one is heart chakra or Anahat chakra. It is on the center of your chest. Application is quite similar. Apply it on your navel button, apply it on center of your chest and smell for 2 minutes. Next one is throat chakra or the Vishuddha chakra. Application is simple. Apply it on your navel button and apply it center of throat, this position, and then smell for 2 minutes. Again गहरी और धीमी सांस के साथ. Next one is third eye chakra. It is the 6th chakra of our body. Application is similar. Apply it on your navel button. Apply it between eyebrows, जहाँ पे बिंदी लगाते हैं ना, उस position पे, and then smell for 2 minutes. It is very effective oil if you are having headache or having negative thoughts or any similar type of things. Then seventh one is crown chakra or सहस्रार chakra. Position is top of your head, जहाँ पे चोटी बांधते हैं वो वाली जगह. So apply it on your navel button, apply it on your crown position, top of the head, and then smell for 2 minutes. Again, गहरी और धीमी सांस के साथ. All these oils are available in 10 ml roll-on bottles, which will last for approx 2 months. If you are using morning and evening twice a day, and cost of each oil is just 300 rupees per oil. We can also help you detect which chakra is not balanced in your body using your DNA decoding, for which you have to send me your 2 saliva swabs. So how to take these 2 saliva swabs? Take 2 earbuds. जैसे कान साफ करते हैं ना, earbud. Just take 2 earbuds, place it below your tongue, जैसे thermometer लगाते हैं. Hold it for 2 minutes and then change the ends. दोनों साइड को लार से गीला करने के बाद में just pack it in a polythene and send it to me on my address. For more details, you can call on my number 936-999-8987, or also you can contact me through my website www.acharyamanish.com.